think PrusaSlicer is lying to us. So I'm gonna put this on 0.05 millimeters ultra detail. I'm gonna add a cylinder, and then I'm gonna change some of the dimensions. So I turned off log scale, and then I made it smaller, and I'm gonna turn the height to 0.05 millimeters. And it will create the shape. Now remember, it is at 0.05 millimeters layer height, and let's slice it. And it says there's an error where the layers are too thin and no layers were detected. So when I make the layers thicker to 0.1 or 0.10 millimeters, it will slice. But it's at 0.05 millimeter detail, so what exactly is going on? Is PrusaSlicer a liar?